Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nick and I make beauty videos every week. Or not. I know I haven't been as consistent in my weekly posts as well as on my Instagram, but this return back into MECQ has really put me into a creative slump mentally, physically, emotionally, and just I felt like I needed to give myself a break. But no worries, I'm finally back with a new video, and today's video is going to be all about curating a skincare routine for your skincare needs and for your budget. The starter pack will be perfect for people that are starting out in their skincare journey, but also perfect for people that have maybe dabbled into skincare and haven't found a routine that really addresses a multitude of problems. All of the products that I'll be mentioning will be sourced locally, will be below 1,000 pesos, and all the links to purchase will be detailed in the description box below. So every skincare routine starts out with cleansing. Having a clean base is super important, and making sure your cleanser is non-drying but removes all traces of debris and pollution is key to achieve perfect glowing glass skin. So our first product is going to be a bar of soap, but don't be scared. It's actually a really gentle yet moisturizing bar of soap. And the product I'm talking about is the Snail White Cleansing Bar. At least, I think that's what it's called. This retails for 295 pesos, which is on the lower end of our budget, but don't be fooled because this is a workhorse product. It is a bar of soap that is encased in a net bag that actually allows the soap to produce foam. So instead of having those foaming bottles that releases foam from a liquid substance, it actually just works by adding friction. And because it creates a foam-like consistency, then it's more gentler on the skin. It also helps move things around, and this bar of soap is super moisturizing. I know bars of soap usually get a bad rep for being super drying and leaving your skin super stripped of oils or any moisture, but this has really broken all stereotypes, and it was love at first try. It smells really good and it's very gentle. It leaves your skin soft and supple, and even if you've been out of the shower for a few minutes or so, your skin doesn't feel stripped at all. In fact, it was so good, I actually use it for my body as well and use the foam to rub parts of my body that I want to brighten. So because it's called Snail White, its key promise to its consumers is really to brighten your face. And the key there is the word brighten. It's not supposed to make you the perfect kind of white, but it's really just giving you a brighter, more glowy complexion. And I think that looks really good on either a morena skin tone, a really dark skin tone, or a fair skin tone like mine. The next product I'm going to be talking about is a toner. It's the Hada Labo Gokyujun Hydrating Lotion. This product is a very old favorite. It's actually one of my first holy grails when I started getting knee-deep into the wonderful world of skincare. This retails for 685 pesos, and for that price range, it really is a bang for your buck. That's because its key ingredient is hyaluronic acid, and this key ingredient holds 1,000 times its mass in water, and basically it's extremely moisturizing. It contains 4 variants of hyaluronic acid, and it penetrates into different layers of your skin. I love this because even if its promise is to be extremely moisturizing, it doesn't feel greasy or sticky at all. I mean, it does feel a bit sticky upon first application, but that quickly disappears once your skin absorbs it. And it's perfect for when you're traveling to colder countries, when we can do so again, but also perfect for the conditions we're in now. I've found that this is a real lifesaver for being at home the entire day because the air coming from air conditioning units is actually pretty dry and it strips a lot of moisture from your skin. So it's perfect to bring back that youthful, supple, and soft complexion back into your life. This product is another multi-use product for me. I actually use it for my face and my body. I know not a lot of people do that, and it's actually not advertised to be used that way, but I really like it, especially in the areas where it feels very dry or don't get a lot of moisture from my lotion or my oil, like at the back of my legs, my knees, my elbows, etc. I use this everywhere because I just want to be soft and supple everywhere. And right now I'm trying this new variant, which is the premium yellow version. It's a little bit thicker than the white one, but I find that it's really been helpful, especially during this quarantine where we're all locked up in our homes. This next product is something that isn't new to my channel, and it's the Cosr X Snail Mucin Essence. I've talked about this a lot of times, so you already know that I love this. And I just consider this to be an all-around workhorse product. This retails for 980 pesos, and it's something I mainly consider to be a healing product. And that's because its main ingredient is actually snail extract, which helps your skin heal itself faster and also renew your cells faster. What this basically means is if you have any hyperpigmentation, any burns, any dry patches, or any texture, this is the product that can solve it for you. And honestly, I've used it in countless situations and countless times. I've been using this for years and it has never failed me. Whether I have a sunburn, whether I have acne that's about to erupt, or there's hyperpigmentation that I want to fade, this is my go-to product. And even though this is a bit slimy and sticky, similar to the Hada Labo lotion, it's actually perfectly paired together. I don't feel like my face feels like a grease bomb, or I don't feel like it's sticky wherein everything sticks. Like, you know how when you put lip gloss and your hair sticks to it? It doesn't feel that way, and your skin just feels soft and supple. And when I'm lazy, I actually use this as both my moisturizer and my essence. Although I wouldn't advise that because I still think that you do need a moisturizer. It's just that sometimes you can't be bothered and you just want to jump straight into your bed because you're super tired. This next product is a moisturizer, and it's the Etude House Moistful Collagen Gel Cream. So this one retails for 810 pesos, and unfortunately I didn't get the chance to film this because I just ran out and my new order hasn't arrived yet, but there's a link in the description box below and I'll put an image right here so you can see what this product looks like. I'm sure you can tell from the name that its key ingredient is collagen. So it focuses on bringing back youth into your face and blurring out those fine lines and wrinkles and really just preventing any signs of aging. But it also contains baobab water, which is similar to hyaluronic acid, wherein it holds so much more of its mass in water. The baobab water can actually hold 120,000 liters of water, which means, again, it's extremely moisturizing. And I love that this is a gel type moisturizer because it quickly absorbs into your skin, especially after you've applied two slimy options before this, such as the Hada Labo and the Cosr X. This is a really nice, light, and refreshing change. Our next product is going to be a chemical exfoliator. I'm talking about the Ordinary's niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. This has helped me a lot with the oiliness in my T-zone as well as with the appearance of my pores. I really feel this made an immediate difference as soon as I introduced this into my routine, and this has reached holy grail status for me because I really can't imagine doing my skincare routine without it. And I know that when you're starting out with your skincare journey, active ingredients are something you normally stray away from because you're afraid of the effects it can bring to your skin. And also, I think people fear the tingling sensation that normally comes with these types of products. But fear not, this product actually doesn't have any tingling sensation, at least for me, even when I started out with skincare. I started slowly introducing actives, and I've never had that tingling sensation. I guess if you have overly sensitive skin, I would be a little bit careful, but other than that, this product can do wonders for your skin. This retails for 740 pesos, and this is going to solve all your skincare woes. Whether that's dullness, brightness, hyperpigmentation, acne, over sebum production, oiliness, texture, you name it, this product can solve it. Honestly, it's like a miracle worker. Your skin immediately feels extremely smooth, and you'll notice a difference in the presence of whiteheads and blackheads as you continue to use this product. Now we're nearing the end of our skincare routine, and I'm going to be talking about one of the most important steps, which is sunscreen. I cannot stress enough how important sunscreen is to preserve not only the youth of your skin, but also the quality of your skin. Sunscreen really protects your skin from damage coming from free radicals or pollution. And even if you're stuck at home, as long as you have windows or there's light peeking through, UV rays can still damage your skin. So sunscreen is a must for your everyday routine. Now, the product I'll be talking about is the Biore UV Watery Gel Cream. This is SPF 50 PA+++, and this retails for 995 pesos. This really does work wonders, and this bottle can last you a really long time. And trust me, I use this both on my face, my neck, and the first part of my shoulders because I kind of want to preserve it. I don't have a video of this as well, mainly because I'm trying some of Biore's competitors out to see if there really is a difference and if I can justify a higher price point. I love this because it's another gel type cream, which means it's fast absorbing and it's very light to your skin. But the best part is it's not like traditional sunscreens that leave a white cast that make you look like a ghost and don't play well with your makeup. Protection without compromising your makeup? Amazing! Now we're down to the last step in our skincare routine, and that's sheet masks. I know a lot of you are probably thinking, really? Sheet masks? That's so much work. But girl, trust me, sheet masks are a godsend. I know it's a hassle to kind of line it up with your face and wait for 10 to 15 minutes for it to absorb in your skin, but sheet masks are a relaxing way to add back moisture in your skin, and a lot of sheet masks nowadays actually solve a lot of different skincare concerns. So you can have one that's specifically going to target brightness, you have one that can specifically target texture or acne. I mean, you name it, manufacturers have a sheet mask for you. So the one I currently have with me right now is a value pack, which I love buying for sheet masks because it really is just bang for your buck. So this one is the Hada Labo sheet mask, and I love this because there are 30 sheets in one package, so I can wear a sheet mask for every day of the month. I mean, I don't, but if I wanted to, I could. So this lasts me a really long time, and this one specifically just targets moisture, and I love it when my skin is sort of throwing a tantrum and acting all dry and textury and just not cooperating with me. So I put this on, it relaxes me at night, and when I wake up the next day, my skin looks just like how I want it to be. This one you can't really source locally, but there are other options that you can use, such as Lululun. So they're on Beauty MNL, and I know they're below 1,000 pesos, but the difference is they have 36 sheets in one box. So the one I like the most is the pink packaging and the white packaging. They have other variants, so just figure out what you like the most by buying the different boxes. And it's a really nice way to relax, meditate, and feel like you're in an at-home spa. Another really great sheet mask maker, which is one of my favorites, is actually Innisfree. My favorite is the Manuka Honey variant because if you want a quick fixer-upper, this is the sheet mask for you. Now, that's it for our roundup of our budget skincare routine. I've listed all the products in the description box down below, so I hope I encourage you guys to experiment a little bit more with your skincare routine, even if you're just starting out. And I hope I introduce some new products that will become new favorites in your routine. So if you like this video or you learned a lot, please let me know by smashing the like button down below and hitting the subscribe button so you never miss a beat when I post content like this. If you also have any beauty concerns, whether it be hair care, skincare, makeup, please don't be shy to slide into my DMs and hit me up with your questions because your girl's gotcha. I love hearing from you guys, and be sure to watch out for my 2 other videos that are coming up that will be similar to this, but with higher price points. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!